Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lee Morey. Just want to go over a few things with you. For those of you who have these built-in GE style microwaves, and you had it for quite a bit, quite a while, like at least over 5 or maybe 6 or 7 years. You know that some of these microwaves do tend to go out from time to time, especially the keypad, which is right here. For those folks who are having problems with the keypad, say for example, this is my number 1 right here. 1 doesn't work, and 2, the whole 1 through 6 is shot. It doesn't work at all, and so I have to only use the 7 through 9, and it's a real pain in the butt. My wife likes using the automatic quick time where you just hit the 1 and it cooks for a minute. So it's very, very helpful when that thing works. When it doesn't work, it becomes a pain in the butt. So in other words, your keypad here has gone out. That's what happened. I mean, the whole microwave is not shot. It's a good microwave. I had it for about 9 years now. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. For those of you who are not familiar with these GE models, I'm going to walk you through it right quick. It's very easy to fix. What you want to do is, first of all, you want to get the correct part, the correct microwave, and write that down. Now, the microwave for this right here is going to be right there. You can find it right there. That's JVM like a Mike 1540SN as in November 1SS. You want to write that down because that is important, because that is your model number of this General Electric microwave. Now, General Electric makes all kinds of microwaves, so make sure you get the correct one. Getting the incorrect part for the wrong microwave, of course, is going to lead to a lot of problems, because this face right here panel looks familiar. They have at least about 3 or 4 different type of models that look the same as this. So it can be kind of confusing. So make sure you get the right part. Okay, so what you're going to do, once you order your part, you can order this part through the internet. Amazon may have a few. They normally cost between, say, $90 to about $149, depending on where you go. You can probably get some that's used too, that's still in good shape. But this is the part right here. This reason why your keypad is not working is because of this area right here. That's what you're going to have to replace. And then what you do is you order that part. And then once your part come in, like my part came in today, I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. You're going to need to get a drill. I have a little power Black & Decker right here. And that's the new part that came in today. I'm going to swap that out. So what you're going to need to do is, first of all, it's very important that you keep this in mind when dealing with electrical appliances. You always want to do one thing. You always want to unplug it. This is for safety, because if you don't unplug it and then you go in and touching all these electrical components, you can get yourself shocked, or it can be, things can get pretty bad. You don't want that. So first things first is you want to unplug this like that, and therefore make sure it's unplugged. It's off and not working. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab your little Black & Decker right here, a little screwdriver, and grab you something to stand on, and you're going to go ahead and start unscrewing the top right here. And normally put that bad boy right there, and you take that off. And then normally it's 2 here, and you take that off. Okay, set that aside, and then you're going to open the microwave right here, and then you're going to you're going to pop this out. You know what I mean? It just pops right out. It's very easy to come off. You're going to take that off, and you're going to just pretty much set this aside, out of the way, and then you're going to go to here. It's going to be a little mount right here you want to unscrew as well, right about there. So you're going to get your little, and you're going to take that off as well. And you take that off. And let's see what we got here. And okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this this face off right here. So how you do that is basically you're gonna put your hand right there, and you're gonna tend to just push that up like that, like so. And you may want to take this off too and get that out the way. And then you're going to take that off. And there you go. And there you go. And it comes out. You're going to notice that you're going to see all these wires that's hooked into your keypad. This is your motherboard right here. And what you're going to do, and here's your interface to the keyboard. This right here links to your keyboard. And what people normally do before they go out and buy a new panel, they will, sometimes these things throughout time, the interface, little interface cable right here will tend to loosen up. And then therefore making it, the keypads unworkable, some of the numbers. So you want to try that out. You want to go ahead and just try to force it in, push it in, and make sure they're in there properly. And then you want to put the panel back on, and then plug it back up and see if that solves the problem. I've tried it many times. My panel is shot, so it's hopeless to try to do that. And do excuse my microwave here. It's a little bit cruddy. Like I said, I had this microwave for about, going on 9 years now. It's a good microwave, but throughout time it does get a little grease buildup in there. I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your drill right here, and you're going to start drilling these mounts off right here. You're going to drill that off, and just drill off all these mounts right here, and you're going to take that off. Let's see, you're going to go through here, and you're going to also take that off. Take that off. And you're going to go on the side right here and take that off. That side, and then you're going to take the last but not least off right there. Okay, and take that off. And one thing I like about this motherboard, it's pretty secure in there. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take off this interface right here, and make sure you do this very gently, because this right here is the heart of the system right here, the interface. So you don't want to, you don't want to just yank it out. It's very important that you're very gentle with it when you take it out. So you're just going to unplug that off, like so, and get that there, and there you go, and it just pops right on out. Okay, and then you're gonna these little secure hatches right here. You're just gonna take those off right here one by one. They just pop right on out. They're pretty easy. So you're gonna just take that off like that, and then, whoops, there you go. Make sure they don't happen, folks. Make sure you grab that, and there you go. you got the you got the panel off. Okay, so you're just gonna set that aside. Okay, and this right here will stay put where it is. The motherboard is gonna stay put, so don't worry about that. And then just go to your new package right here, and of course you're gonna get your new panel, unravel that, and then you're gonna put that back on. So so let's go ahead and unravel that right quick, and then just go ahead and take the bad boy out right here. Oh boy. All right, there you go. Make sure everything's off. You got this little seal right here. Go ahead and peel that off. And it looks like everything is in there. This is the new panel right here. And so just go ahead and you're just going to reverse what you did, pretty much. You're just going to put the, panel back on in the same way you took it off. So let's go ahead and line that bad boy up right here, and and then we're good to go. So he's gonna go ahead and see these little grooves right here. Make sure all these grooves go in properly into the system right here, into your panel. And let's see what we got here. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So I'm doing everything with one arm here. So I'm kind of like the one-arm bandit here. Okay. Grooves right in there. There you go, and it pops right in. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, once you got everything grooved in properly here, you're gonna go ahead and start screwing these things back on. Okay, just put that bad boy right there for one, and just go ahead and do your thing. Okay. Okay, screw that bad boy back in. And let's see what we got here. Sometimes it doesn't, they don't make it easy sometimes, these things here. Okay, put the bad boy back in like that. And there you go. Okay, and grab the other one right here. Last but not least, this one right here. Okay, stay. Okay. All right, now what you're going to do, you're going to take this nice little interface right here. Make sure, I always do this. It's not really required though. Just make sure you get a little towel and just kind of wipe that off. Make sure it's not, make sure it's not anything on it, anything grease or anything like that. And you're just gonna plug it right into this little port right there. So it should be easy to go right on in there. Come on, baby. Yeah, you gotta kind of work it a little here. Okay. There you go. Make sure that bad boy's in there pretty good. And let's see, it looks like it's, okay. And it looks like it's in there. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this bad boy back up like that. Connect it with the grooves right there. Make sure everything is on there correctly. And voila. And you're all set on that end. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure everything's done right. So you're gonna go up here, your cabinet. Normally you're gonna plug it back in. And let's see, plug that bad boy back in. And it should come to life. Okay, I'll give it a few seconds to kind of reboot. And then you'll go ahead and input the time. And it says got input, please input the time right there. And what you're going to do is you see none of these buttons really work. Now let's go ahead and see if they work. So hit the time right here and clock. Oh, okay, it works. And the time right there, 8:53, 8, 5, 3. And then clock, and then AM, PM, AM, and there you go. See now, you want to test it out. And, okay, and shut it right there. Remember my number 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 didn't work. Let's see if it works. All right, we're in business. Get the bad boy off, and there it is. And you just put you put all the goodies back to the way you got it, and this right here goes right up in here again, and put the bad boy right here. Okay. Okay, and then you put these bad boys right back here. Okay. And just grab the little top panel half right here and make sure it's the correct way. It screws right here, face upward, okay? And then that should be pretty easy to put back on as well. And line that bad boy up. And put that nice and easy. And grab those two little nice screws you had earlier. And just plug it back on in. Okay, all right, put that bad boy back in. All right. And there you have it. A workable panel that works. All the keypads work. And I hope this video was very helpful for you. Again, my name is Lee Morey. If this was very helpful for you, this video, just go ahead and hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And enjoy the rest of the day, all right? Have a good one. Again, Lee Morey, signing out.